Welcome to Toolverse AI. Today we'll create a professional resume using ChatGPT and Canva, completely free. Let's begin. Open ChatGPT and write a prompt, create a professional resume summary for a Python developer using with 2 years of experience. Here is we got a summary of total resume. Now we need to just type another script for creating a whole resume. Create a complete resume including skills, education and experience for Python developer, right? You got the whole resume in one go, like professional summary, technical skills, professional experience, whatever you have, education and projects, whatever you done, right? Is that simple? So now we need to open a Canva page, right? So copy first professional summary, go to the Canva. In Canva we need to go design. In digital design we have to click on a resumes. In that you have to click on a create resume. After clicking you need to type there free resume templates so that we can create a resume template free. I didn't log in the Canva. I am trying a demo, so anyone can download it, right? So select the template, whatever you want as per your requirement. You need to just copy paste here a profile summary of resume and just adjust it and align the template, right? Like this we added the summary. Now we need to go to the ChatGPT for professional experience, copy the Python developer, add it in your resume, just paste it, then again you need to do just copy your company name, like ABC Technology Solutions I have taken for a demo. You need to write your one. Now you need to align this and add the experience, like which year you are working here. Just paste it. Align this with the resume template so that it can be fit very well. Now you need to add that experience, like you have developed and maintained whole application using Python, Django, Flask, performing by 20%. We are mentioning at 20% that we have initiated with the percentage so that your resume get attracted by that line. So as per your experience you need to write it that. Just align with the template. Now this is not addressing, so we are doing some edit for that. I'm aligning that so I can move that whole text box so that I can arrange it very well. So I just remove it. Okay, I need to move that first and delete the portion whatever coming below that text box, right? For more precision, I am deleting the extra content because I have two company experiences, so that I can remove the third one, and adjusting the second one right now, so that our first company experience get adjusted very well. These are the little editing you need to do because we got a free template. Okay, just move the date and all that alignment. It should be in proper manner. Okay, now I need to adjust the job and descriptions, bullet points which I have mentioned here, so that all formatting could be done, right? Now you need to just select okay, write the position of your second company, like junior Python developer, the role. I need to copy paste the company name, go to ChatGPT and just copy the company name. And now copy the year of your second company. I know video gets long because step by step we are going here, so that everyone can edit that properly and align all that text to match the template, right? So just copy another job description, a JD, whatever work you done on your second company or previous company. In this also we need to arrange as per the template, so I'm removing the extra spaces and bullet where they got blank. Okay, now I need to adjust with the template properly so that it looks good. I'm removing the third dot because I have only two companies. As per your experience you need to add it, right? Just remove the third dot, adjust it very well. I need to set the for my present company so that alignment get properly with the template, right? Okay, references I don't have, so I think I need to remove If you have, you need to just copy paste the references here. Okay, let me check with that in ChatGPT. Okay, I have an education. So okay, we need to align that with the resume template, right? Just move down second so we can adjust that properly. It's not a hectic and tedious task. Okay, in that section, the university from where you passed, you need to write it there. I'm taken a demo, that's why I write there University of London, right? Just add the graduated year above the university. You have already mentioned that Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, right? Now technical skills you need to add. I'm just removing and pasting my technical skills because I have more technical skills, so I need to just shuffle all that things. So I am deleting the references which I don't have. So I am deleting each element from the references so that I can add a technical skills very well, and I am moving the languages to the right side. So this consideration also we need to take. Okay, just remove and just move the languages. Okay, now set very well skills in the proper left side section so that all resume get managed very well. Okay, align properly so that resume template get looks very good. Okay, we have added the experience. Okay, I am copying the Python developer because on the top of the resume I need to paste it, right? Name below job role is important. In that section, after completing, click on share and download button. So default PDF is there. After clicking the download, we got a downloaded PDF of a resume like this. Within a minute, by using ChatGPT and Canva, we created the professional ATS-friendly resume, right? So as per your education, you can create your resume, right? The process is same. This is a PDF format ready for job.